Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In today's video we will talk about the various steps of Roku Express 4K installation process that make your setup process easier and faster. Setting up your Roku Express 4K is straightforward. In this video we will discuss each and every steps that is necessary to do the Roku Express 4K setup. So don't miss out this video. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the package, you'll discover the Roku Express 4K streaming device itself. Accompanying the device is a wireless remote control. The box also includes a USB power cable and a power adapter, enabling you to power the Roku either through an electrical outlet or a compatible USB port on your TV. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug one end of the HDMI cable into your Roku device and the other end into an available HDMI port on your TV. Connect the USB power cable to the Roku device. Plug the other end into the power adapter, and then plug the adapter into an electrical outlet. Turn on your TV and use your TV remote to select the HDMI input where the Roku is connected. Insert the included batteries into the Roku remote. The remote should pair automatically with your Roku device. If it doesn't, follow the on-screen instructions to manually pair the remote. Choose your preferred language. Connect your Roku to your Wi-Fi network. Select your network from the list, enter the password, and allow the Roku to connect. The Roku may check for software updates. If an update is available, it will download and install it automatically. This might take a few minutes. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Roku account. If you don't have one, you can create it during setup. You'll also need to activate your device by visiting the provided link, e.g., roku.com/link, on a computer or smartphone. After signing in or creating your account, you'll be prompted to enter a code displayed on your TV screen. Follow the instructions to link your Roku to your account. Once activated, you can add channels, apps, to your Roku, such as Netflix, Hulu, or Disney. Some channels may require additional sign-ins or subscriptions. You can customize settings like display type, audio preferences, and more by navigating through the Roku menu. Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.